My name is Charlie Grace. I am the Chief Commercial Officer for Nikon SLM Solutions. So I think being at an event like this, Chris, is really important for the industry to come together, gather as a group, and share ideas, opinions of the future, and technologies to enable success of our customers. And that's why we come here, to engage with our customers, to engage with our partners, and ultimately drive success. So the best practices I would say that are important to us is truly going from prototyping to production. We are seeing an enormous amount of success right now in companies that are looking to adopt the technology and inject sustainability into their supply chains and be able to produce things when they need them, where they need them, and how they need them. And so coming here and collaborating with our customers and being part of the community is an essential part for us to grow and develop and drive the technology forward. So we just talked a little bit about the hype cycle, Chris, and I think that for sure there's been a lot of expectations that were maybe overset inside of the industry, and we have to work hard to ensure that we earn the trust and respect of our customers and we deliver what we say. So we want to walk the walk and talk the talk, and part of what we've done to enable that is to have an uptime guarantee on our NXG product line. And that's important to our customers because we have skin in the game. So we want to deliver what we say we can and will for our customers. As far as growth goes in the industry, we know that many providers in the industry and companies, frankly, in the industry have struggled. We're very fortunate that we are laser focused on the laser powder bed fusion market, and we are on that curve for enabling production. So it's really exciting to us that for us, we're seeing great growth. We're seeing last year, our sales increased 40% year over year. And we're EBIT profitable company. So that's exciting for us that we're part of that journey and we're delivering upon expectations. Yeah, well, first of all, as far as supporting higher end customers, there isn't a big green button on these machines. It takes a lot of hard work between our customers and our own staff to make these work. But I will tell you, once they're up and running and we're up, we have a successful installation and customers are adopting the technology, we are up and running at over 90% of the time of availability right now in our product group, which is really exciting for the customers to have that access to the technology and come up that curve with us. But we're there with them. We are a partner of our customers, and we want to make sure that we don't just sell a product and then run away. So we work with our customers, we work with our partners to enable success and drive the future of additive manufacturing today. As far as the investment that we've made in the United States, number one, this is a great market for us. We've seen enormous success here, and frankly, we want to fuel that growth and continue to have that success we've enjoyed. So it's not just about manufacturing the product. Yes, that's a big deal. To be able to make the first time ever to have a SLM Solutions product made in the US soil by Americans is a big deal. We want our customers to have access to the technology easier, quicker. The flight time from Europe to the US, we now cut all that out, and that's a big benefit to our customers. But we're also ramping up our engineering support, our customer service, and our infrastructure to be able to support our customers as they're looking to come up the speed. So it's exciting for us. It's a huge market potential for us, and we're investing in this market opportunity. So the question about what should the industry do? Stabilize our current platforms, or look to the future. And from a company like Nikon SLM Solutions, we are a company that's founded on innovation. We spent 20% of our top line on research and development. We're going to continue to push that curve. But as I'd like to say is, the future is now. We are not delivering this tomorrow or next year. We're delivering these solutions today. And so yes, we're going to continue to refine and perfect these machines. But we're also investing in the future as well. I think it would be a mistake to stop where we are now. We're pushing the boundaries of what the technology can do, and our customers are asking us to frankly do that. We couldn't do what we do without people, Chris. At the end of the day, the people are so important and have trained people. So having resources from SME go out and actually train people on what the virtues of additive can do is so incredibly important. Because what we see is to try to bring a customer up to speed with any of our platforms, frankly, that don't have that expertise is a challenge to do. So we are wholeheartedly invested in making sure that this industry has great talent, and we'll continue to use tools like AI and to drive innovation and automation in this market because frankly, if we're going to make that change from prototyping to production, which we're doing now, we need more of that. So Chris, I think consolidation is a good thing, as long as it's at the right pace. I have a great point of view from this because we were acquired by Nikon Corporation last year, just a year and a half ago. And I will tell you that by Nikon acquiring SLM Solutions, we've now become a much stronger company that is providing greater technology and investment into this community. So I can see firsthand how this can work from a benefit standpoint. But yeah, should we have standards in the industry? Should we be setting the right expectations? Absolutely, and we also need greater partnerships, you know, to go off and instead of building everything, to go off and partner with people who have great expertise. Chris, it's a great question around our customers, and I take great pride with us in investing time and resources with our customers. I think we've built a world-class customer-facing team and organization of professionals from a marketing team, business development, sales, service, application engineers, and those groups of people huddle around our customers. You have to make these multi-million-dollar investments, not only in our systems, but the whole infrastructure of what we bring to the market. You know, our customers are our lifeblood. We need to listen to them. I'm out there every day and every week, every month with our customers, talking to them firsthand about what their challenges are, frankly, and also what some of the opportunities are. Post-processing is absolutely one of those things that is so critical to the success and the value chain of what we bring to the market. Ultimately, the total cost of ownership, you know, you have the workflow up front, you have the production, and then you have the finishing in the back end. And I will tell you that I think there's greater opportunities for shortening that, making it easier to depowder, finish parts. And I have great promise for some of the tools and innovation that exists in the market, some AI in the future. I believe that all these things will help automate and streamline these processes. The message I would leave the additive community with is that we are here today, we believe in our customers, we are driving innovation, and we are coming up that curve of enabling our customers today to go from prototyping to production. It's not a fantasy land, we're doing this today. And it's exciting for us to see the benefits of that. When we talk to customers and we see one machine turn into two, or two turn into four, and four turning into multiples. It's incredible to see that coming up the curve. So we're excited, we're privileged to be able to have earned our customers' trust, and we look forward to enabling future growth of the industry.